I'm gonna cut a chunk of my hair off every time the main characters in this romance book I'm reading are really stupid. By the way, this is like a modern Peter Pan retelling, so just roll with the names. Wendy's from Florida. The love interest, Captain Hook, says the phrase, subduing a female is all about control. Hook fantasizes about having sex with Wendy over her dead father's body. Fuck. In Hook's inner monologue, he says the phrase, my lengthens, and I don't like that phrase. Okay. Hook kidnaps and tortures a guy who cussed out Wendy, even though they haven't even had 2 full conversations with each other. This is so stupid.